If your fireplace damper chain is broken or disconnected, fixing it is easier than you think, and getting it back in shape can totally change how your fireplace works. So, first off, check if the chain is just loose or completely snapped. If it's loose, you might be able to just hook it back onto the lever. If it's broken, grab a replacement chain from a hardware store or online. Next, make sure the damper lever moves smoothly. Sometimes dust or rust makes it stiff, so give it a little clean and a drop of oil. When you reattach the chain, don't make it too tight or too slack. You want enough slack so the damper can fully open and close without struggle. If you're replacing the chain, measure the old one to get the right length or bring it with you to match. After reattaching, test the damper by pulling the chain gently to see if it opens and closes the flue properly. Keep an eye on the chain over time. If it's rusting or weakening, swap it out before it snaps again. And hey, if this feels too tricky, calling a pro is always a solid move to avoid any safety issues. One of the biggest mistakes with fireplace damper chains is ignoring wear and tear until it breaks completely, which can mess with airflow and cause smoke issues inside your home. Fix that by checking the chain regularly for rust or fraying and replacing it before problems start. Another common issue is attaching the chain too tightly or too loosely, which stops the damper from sealing right and wastes heat. Just adjust the chain so the damper moves freely but snugly. Finally, some folks forget to clean and lubricate the damper lever mechanism, making it stiff and hard to operate. A little cleaning and oiling can keep everything moving smooth like butter. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making repairs like this way less stressful. Contractors also get hooked up with real work from people nearby who need jobs done, so it's a win-win for everyone involved.